Good morning, students. Let us start our next part of story Yonamain and Wushi. Now, as she started to go to her to her father's house, then what happened? That her husband just tell her that maybe bandits will be there. So she said with confidence that I will take care of myself. Next, Wushi was not pleased. She is overconfident. He thought to himself, she must be taught a lesson for her own good. So, by listening this answer, Wushi was not so pleased. Pleased means happy. She is overconfident. He thought that she is doing just overconfident. She must be taught a lesson for her own good. So, he has decided one planning. That evening, Yonamain left to walk her father's home. And that evening, as she decided, she left to her father's home. As soon as she departed, Wushi disguised himself as a bandit, wearing shabby clothes, smearing dark colors over his hands, and covering his face with a scarf. Now, as soon as she departed, means departure means to go. As soon as she just go, then what happened? Wushi disguised himself as a bandit. Disguise means the act of concealing the identity of something by modifying its appearance. Means he just wanted to look as a bandit, so that way he dressed up to himself. In short, we say dress up. So Wushi disguised himself as a bandit. So he just dressed up as a bandit means thieves. Wearing shabby clothes. How he wear the clothes? It was shabby. Shabby means old and in bad condition. So how that thieves they wear the clothes? That way shabby clothes means old clothes he wear. And then smearing dark colors over his hands. Smearing means spreading over a surface. And what he did? He spread over his surface of the hands dark colors and covering his face with a scarf. With scarf he just packed to himself. He ran as fast as he could to hide behind a clump of trees at a fork on the road. So see, he just as she started to leave from the home, just she left, and after that he too wanted to go very early because he wanted to hide himself behind a clump of trees. Clump of trees is the phrase, means a group of trees which close together, means so many trees are there together, means very close. There he wanted to hide himself so that she couldn't see to him. And at a fork on the road. Fork means a place where a road divides into two parts. Where the road divides into two parts. Like this, he hid himself to behind a clump of trees at a fork on the road. I told you fork means a place where a road divides into two parts. Means where two ways goes. That part means in the where from which place two roads will start. That place he hid to himself. Darkness fell and he saw Yonamain approaching the fork. Now near to the fork means where that two roads goes. There near to that she came, and by that time it was dark, from where she would take a left turn to reach her father's house. Now from that where that fork means where the two roads goes, from that side or from that place she would take a left turn. If she wanted to go to her father's house, from that she will take then left turn. When she crossed the clump of trees, Wushi jumped out from behind the trees and tried to attack her. So as she crossed to the clump of trees, means when she went near just little forward to the clump of trees. Clump of trees means just where so many trees were there near to each other. And that time only Wushi jumped from behind the trees and tried to attack on her. Yonamain was swift and sharp in her reaction to the attack. See, Yonamain, we know that she was very smart and very expert in karate. So, as just sudden attack was there, still she swift and sharp in her reaction. So she was so sharp. Sudden attack also, she just attacked on him. She held her attacker by the hand and kicked him with such force that attacker fell to the ground. She held her attacker. She just catch him by the hand and kick him. Very big kick she has given with the leg with such force that that attacker fell on the ground. Unconscious means directly he went in unconscious situation, means unconscious means not in just he went unconscious situation, you know that Yona mind dragged him and tied him to a tree with her sash. Now see, even she dragged, she pulled him and tied him to a tree with her sash. She had the sash. Sash means a long strip of cloth worn around the waist or over one shoulder. Means every ladies they have that sash. So that sash, the long strip of cloth. With that sash, she tied to him. She adjusted her backpack and set off round the corner for her father's home. And like this way, she just adjusted her backpack, and again she means whatever she had with her sack, she just took her sack and then set off round the corner for her father's home. And she become ready to go to her father's home. The next day, as she was returning home in the afternoon, she saw her bandit still tied to the tree as she had left him the previous night. Shall I untie you now or leave you here? She asked him. See, next day now when she was returning to the home, that time also that bandit was still he was there only in the condition of tied to the tree. And as she had left him the previous night, in that same situation he was there. And then she asked him, shall I untie you now? Shall I leave you now or leave you here? Now what I should do? She asked him. Please untie me, mumbled the bandit. Now he was actually her husband only, but he don't wanted to show her. So he just mumble means just slowly he speak out. I beg you to forgive me. I shan't ever do this again. He said that I beg you to forgive me. I request you, please, I forgive me. I will not do this again. Swiftly she untied him and walked away quickly. And now very swiftly she untied him and she leave him and walk away quickly. She was in a hurry. She had to reach